everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Madison, the creator behind Life on Madison Ave. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram at Life on Madison Ave. So in tonight's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an Amazon haul. Super excited for this. I buy on Amazon weekly, if not probably a few times a week, I'm going to be completely honest. So in tonight's video, I'm just going to give you a rundown of my top 5 favorite things I've bought on Amazon, some things I buy monthly, and some cute home decor that I recently came up on. But keep watching. Let me know what you like to buy on Instagram, on Amazon, and I'm going to link everything in the description box below. Okay, so to start off, I am going to show you my home decor that I recently came up on. First one is a Louis Vuitton coffee table book. Super big, it's thick, it's nice. It's going to be a good decoration piece in my new bedroom. I will probably not put it on a coffee table. I'm going to put it on like a shelf or my dresser, whatever I have. I'm not sure what I'm going to have yet. And then a Christian Louboutin coffee table book. Super cute. I love the pages. They're rose gold. So pretty. So really quick, while I have you guys here watching, there is a difference between these two designers. I often hear people confuse the names, which is super okay. I'm just here to educate the public. So Christian Louboutin is one designer. He is best known for his Red Soles Louboutins, and then Louis Vuitton leather goods. They make shoes as well. They make pretty much everything down to dog collars. But I often hear people say, oh, look at those Louis Vuittons, and they're pointing to a pair of red bottoms. Louboutins, okay? Louboutins. Just educating the people, getting that fashion education up. Okay, so now we're on to what I buy monthly. So every month I usually buy at least 1 or 2 of these products. I'm gonna start off with my electrolytes. So I love electrolyte powder. I drink a gallon a day. I have my gallon actually right here. This was an Amazon buy as well. Of course it was. So I drink a gallon of water a day, and Monday through Friday, I typically put electrolytes in my gallon. This one is my favorite. It's Fruit Punch Keto Vitals. I will make sure to link the description. I'll put in the description the link to buy all of these. This one's great, pretty good. This one is, what is this? Peach, lemon peach, super yummy. And then this one is lemon lime. It tastes like the lemon lime Gatorade. I noticed that when I was drinking just straight water, I was feeling really depleted and low energy, and so I put in some electrolytes and I feel amazing, you know, and it gives the water a different taste, so you're not just drinking straight water all the time. All right, now we are on to my top favorite things. I think there's 6 or 7. Not sure, I don't know how to count, but these are my top favorite things that I use daily, if not weekly. But yeah, let's get started. So my first one, as I'm sure many of you have seen if we are friends in real life, my gallon. Yes, I always drink a gallon of water every day. This one's cute, it's pink. My old one was purple. It has like little notes about drinking water, I guess. Good morning, you've got it. Remember your goal, that's it. Keep drinking, no excuses, a little bit more, and well done. It also has times too to correlate with like how much you should drink per like part of the day we're at. I don't really care about that. I actually take this along with me throughout my day, as well as my Hydro Flask. So I pour the gallon into my Hydro Flask. It's just a good way for me to track my water intake. I don't know why I started doing it. Honestly, it was because I live in Arizona. It's hot here. I'm always thirsty, and I don't like tap water. So when people are like, or I don't really like bottled water either. I'm very specific on what brands I drink. The only bottled water I will drink is like Essentia, Smart Water, sometimes Evian. I love the Natural Springs, just certain things like that. So if I don't know where the water is coming from, I'd rather it come from my home, and it comes from my home by carrying around my gallon all day, so there's that. Okay, so the next top favorite of mine is this cute little mug. I found it from Skinny Confidential. It actually has like a heart. It's a heart shape. Right now I have a tea in there, but it's just a cute glass heart-shaped mug. It's fun, it's cute, it's aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, that's one of my newest buys. Super cute. I like to drink my coffee, drink my tea in it. I feel cute. Again, y'all know I am a sucker for cute things. So next up is some good old-fashioned self-tanner. Yes, honey. So this is the Bondi Sands brand. I actually found this brand from my best friend. She uses it. So with the mousse, you also need the mitt. Yes. And then I went ahead and got the back applicator because it is that serious. I do not want to peel back. No, I do not. And when I don't have someone around to spray tan my back, i.e. my little sisters, I will do this myself. It's really easy. It buffs out really nice and it has 2 heads. It's super easy to put on. A few pumps on the mitt and then you just, I don't know, blend it into your skin, whatever you do with typical self tanner. I like this one because it has a lower price point, but it shows up just as well as like the Saint Tropez or the Loving Tan Official, whatever those are called. I'm not gonna drop 50 bucks on a bottle of self tanner. If I'm gonna drop 50 bucks on a spray tan, I'm gonna go get my professionally tanned. So yes, when I don't have time or I'm not wanting to spend a lot of money on spray tans, I will turn to the Bondi Sands. All right, so next up on my Amazon favorites are these reusable rubber straws. The brand is Flathead. I found this from the Skinny Confidential. She has amazing tips on like how to be sustainable, what products to use, and she also did her like Amazon haul as well. It comes with this little brush too to clean them, so I don't know if they are dishwasher safe, but they're super easy. They're really bendy too, so if you want to throw them in your pocket, in your purse, in your backpack. I just was tired of being that person that always asks for straws at restaurants, because you know we are out here, we are saving the turtles, we are being sustainable. Every little bit makes a difference to planet Earth, so why not save the earth and be cute at the same time? This came in a package of, I want to say like 8 or 9, but I took the pink ones of course because we are always on brand here. But yeah, these are cool. I like them. Be sustainable, save the earth. So next up on my list is a metal tongue scraper. I heard about these from listening to the Skinny Confidential. I swear she has the best tips and tricks. Go listen to her if you haven't. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I scrape my tongue first thing in the morning. It's what you're supposed to do apparently. Yeah, it improves, what does it say? It improves oral hygiene, freshens breath, and removes bacteria. So this is something that we should all probably be doing. But yeah, it's just become a part of my morning routine. I like it and my mouth feels so much cleaner. I haven't gone a day without doing it since I've started, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it and I would recommend it to anyone who is like looking to freshen up their breath and switch up their morning routine. It's definitely something that I don't see myself going without. So next on the list are these Peach bands. These are just little workout bands. I oftentimes don't have time to get in the gym, so my trainer sends me his pre-recorded videos. Sometimes I like to throw in like some lateral steps with the bands around underneath my knees, above my ankles. So it comes with a light resistance, heavy, and then obviously this one's gonna be medium. It's medium. But yeah, these are, I think they were fairly cheap. My mom and I each got a pack. But yeah, I think it's definitely something to have if you are on the go as much as I am. It comes in this cute little travel case too, so you keep them all together. I would just throw it in my bag. Alright everyone, so thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and follow my Instagram at LifeOnMadisonAve. Leave any comments in the comment section below about what you buy on Amazon, what I should be buying on Amazon, and any content that you want to see next.